Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Skrill Pay and send money. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to use Skrill Pay and send money, first what you need to do is simply head over your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Skrill Pay and transfer. Then look for an app icon like this and tap on it. Then once you're inside here, you'll be getting a get button. Simply tap on that and follow the prompts to successfully download the app. And once downloaded, all you gotta do is tap on open, and once open, if you haven't created an account, simply click on register and enter your name, email ID, country and your currency and create a strong password. Verify your account by uploading a valid ID password or national ID or driver's license, proof of address like utility bill or bank statement, and link your bank account or debit card. Then next is to simply add money to your Skrill wallet by simply heading over and tapping on the deposit tab, then choosing funding method from bank transfer, debit or credit card or mobile wallet, and then simply follow the steps and confirm. Then in order to send money, simply tap on send and select Skrill to Skrill and enter the recipient's Skrill email address, enter the amount and currency and confirm and send the transfer. That is usually instant. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you had, and see you soon on the next one.